Hey guys, all Jack no trades here. Today we are removing the seats from the car. This seems fairly simple. There's bolt here, bolt there, and a couple more in the back. All you need is just 12mm ratchet and socket. Again, 4 bolts right there. Last one. I can even see it. There you go. Last one right there. So again, 12mm. Let's get to work. We got the first bolt out, and for this one in the back, it's a bit hard to reach. So if you have one of these ratchet extensions, it's very useful. 2 of the 12mm bolts from the back are out. Let's get the front. So again, we have a bolt here and a bolt there. All right, this bolt's out, and it turns out this wasn't a bolt, it was a nut and a washer. So I think we got all of them out. Now, I guess we're just kind of brute force and just yank it out. I'll try that. Yeah, so the chair is pretty light actually. The tactic I'm gonna use is kind of pull this way, so it lies down like that, and then I just pull it out from there. Here we have it. Seats out. We have access to the carpet here if you want to do any interior detailing, or if you just want more room to work around with. That is all I have for today, guys. Hope you have a good one.